One of the most important things in determining what your ACoS should be for a particular campaign is knowing your profit margin percentage. If you know your profit margin percentage, then you know what your ACoS percentage inside of the campaign could be based on your goals. So let's go over an example here. Here we have a product that has a profit margin percentage of 37%. So if I'm inside of a campaign that has this particular SKU in it, I know that if that ACoS is 37%, then I am breaking even on that sale. I'm making just as much as I'm spending to make that sale. If the ACoS percentage is lower than 37%, then I am now profitable and I'm now making money. If the ACoS percentage is higher, 38% or higher, that means I am spending more money on that sale than I am making. So in theory, you are losing money on that particular sale. It really helps to know that going forward, because a lot of people that I work with, their main goal is to at least break even using PPC. So that means that their ACoS percentage in this particular example should be at least 37%. Obviously, the lower, the better. Now, some people we work with want to be a little bit more aggressive in their ACoS percentages and go after, higher percentages just to get more sales, and that's fine too. It really depends on your strategy. We've seen people go after 60%, 65, 70%, and they're fine with that because there may be some benefits on the backside with getting more visibility, more organic sales, and more long-term sales and gaining customers.